Stop posting boring static images. With one Canva tool, you can turn any still image into a scroll-stopping animation in just a few clicks. Check this out. I'm in Canva. First, let's come right down here to video. Click on that and then choose Landscape Video. Then I'll go to Uploads and upload a couple of images. I'll drag them in just like that. Okay, now I'm going to take this image of a lady on her phone and click on this. I'll go to the Tools area and choose Image to Video. Right now, it's free. Sometimes it's paid. Either way, click on that. You can choose Smart Video, where it will actually animate it for you, or you can choose Custom and put in a prompt for direction. I'm going to use Smart. Let's see what the AI makes for me. Then click Go. So here is my finished video. If you like it, choose Done. If you don't like it, just generate it again. Let's watch it. Nice! I made this image, but it could also have been a photograph of someone in your family, etc. Seconds ago, it was an image. Now it's a moving video. Let's make another one. How about this image? We'll do the same thing. Click on it, go to Edit, go to Tools, choose Image to Video, and then click Generate. And here's the video it just made for us. That's really good. I'll click Done. So overall, it's really good. So now you've seen the basic process. So now let me show you what I made. I made all these videos and a few extras using the process you just saw. Then I took each one of these videos, put them together, regrouped and rearranged them, and ended up with a little video any business could post on their social media. Check it out. All right, now that I'm finished, I'm going to share. Click on that, then choose Download. I'll make sure MP4 and 1080 is chosen, then click Download. And now I've got a complete new AI commercial that I could put anywhere. You could use this same process to create a family collage, a birthdays or anniversaries or graduation video, one for a new business opening, a new product, etc. Just use your imagination and see what you can create. And that's the process. So have fun trying this out for yourself, and I would love to know what kinds of videos that you make. Be sure and tell me in the comments.
If you found this useful, hit that like button. It helps a ton. And if you want to get better at making AI videos that actually stand out, I've got another video right here you'll want to watch next.